Guys, say goodbye.
This will commit real suicide to dying. I will never see you again in the, what is it, 4th video? 5th, 6th?
You won't see us in the next half. You probably won't see us in the last half of the first season.
And there might be blood.
I hope so.
Real bloody.
Praying. You didn't even do anything.
Gonna do it again.
You're supposed to die. This is a rip-off.
Butthole. Come on, go. Okay, fine.
Hurry up, you would.
I'm alive.
Alright. You're going too easy on him.
Okay, let's redo that.
Alright.
Crap. Put that back on.
Yeah, we're gonna put that back.
Tell my mom, tell my dad, tell my stepmom, and tell my stepdad.
I don't know your Texas number.
I love them.
Do not kick the dog, bro. Okay. Let's see Gavin die. That's his real name.
Come on, Gavin. Get up and in the car.
Oh my God, there's blood. Oh my God, there's blood. Oh my God, there's blood. Oh my God. Holy crap. Holy crap. Dude. That's jacked. Holy crap. Oh my God. This freaking sucks. Holy crap. Guys, we're gonna call the ambulance. I don't know how we're gonna explain this, but yeah, we'll see you in the next few episodes. So yeah, this freaking sucks. Yeah.
Whoa,
okay.
Blood on his arm.
What? There's blood on his arm. What? Holy crap. Guys, we'll see you in the next few episodes. We're gonna get him back on his feet.